Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SRNE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Been doing this analysis on a very routine basis, and unfortunately, the downwards drift just continues. So first I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, just get rid of that line right there. Yeah, that level pertains, just not relevant right now, and from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update that needs to be made, though, just comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So going into the day, 770 was an area of support, but you can see that this morning, once the price broke down below it, at that point, you'd expect it to act as resistance. And on the bounce back upwards, you can see right there, generally speaking, did act as a resistance before rolling back down. So point here being that if the price does decide that it wants to continue to try to, go sideways here and then make a move to the upside, 770 is definitely going to be that first key test of any sort of bounce. If the price can push up through 770, next key overarching level you'll want to watch closely would then be that purple line up there. The 200 period, the 50 period moving average, currently valued at $7.94. As far as levels of support are concerned, nothing fancy or complicated here at all. Just simply a question of where did the bleeding finally stop today, and that was down there at $7.52. So 752 next key level, and then as you can see right here, if that level can't quite hold up, then now all of a sudden you're having areas that have not been seen for a very, very long time. So 752, keep a close eye on that. But yeah, as of right now, the downwards trend continues, and the bears seem to be just building that much more momentum. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.